guys, today I'll be teaching us how to make semo, the easy way to make semo without lump and without any lump at all. So on the pot, pour in your water. Don't allow it to boil, just allow it to steam for a little bit. Then you pour in your semo bit by bit while turning it. Pour it, turn it together. Pour and turn consistently. This is the easy way for you to make your semo without it having lump or not having to burn well. See? Yeah. All of them are coming together. And while turning it, you check. If it's thick, add more water to loosen it up, because you don't want to have it too thick while swallowing. So as you can see, I will be adding a little water to it and allow it to boil for some time, so it will done well. So I'm allowing it to boil for some minutes. So guys, by now you would have seen the difference in the look before and now. While it's still burning, you start turning it. While it's still boiling, keep on turning. Ooh, it's super soft now. Soft. Can't you see that this semolina is looking super lovely? I use Honeywell. I like the product of semolina, but their semolina is top notch. So you don't really need so much stress. You don't really need too much energy to make a semolina for your swallow absorption. All you need is to get it right. All you need is to do it well. So I've got the lights and turn it, and yeah, it is ready. Bring the soup of your choice. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.